Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the A6T microphone kit from Ampligame Fifine. So I do want to thank Ampligame Fifine for actually gifting this to me. So essentially what we have here is the complete set. So you have the boom arm, which mounts to any thickness of desk, just basically by twisting this. You have the actual mic, which is included right over here. It includes a pop filter, and it is plugged in via USB-C to Type-C. That makes it easier for me just because as someone who doesn't like to deal with audio gear, I do prefer a USB microphone. Now, towards the bottom, we have the actual boom arm. And so I do plan on using this on my desk, but the fact that it comes in a complete set, I plan on using this for my videos. But the complete set being, you don't need to buy the pop filter separately, it includes the microphone, includes the stand as well. And the sound detection is really, really good. Check it out for yourselves. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. In addition to that, the microphone also does light up in a nice RGB fashion, and the audio quality is really good as well. So you could actually adjust the gain to make sure that you have a clean voice, whether you're recording videos or playing video games. But overall, very pleased with it. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.